Another day, another truck here at Truck Access Plus. We installed a brand new BAKFlip MX4 on this Ram 1500 short bed. This cover locks when you lock your tailgate. If you can lower your tailgate, you're able to access your cover. We installed this nice impact mat. It has the look and feel of a spray-on liner. Simple operation on the BAKFlip. You just open up the cover from either side via pull cable slam latch operation. It locks in increments along the truck. It has padded bumpers that protect the back window when you want to flip it up. You can strap it here and actually drive with the cover secure while driving like this. One more time, gets you that full bed, which is what makes this cover so famous. You get 100% access of your pickup truck bed. And this is a clamp-on install, so no drilling is required. It's a clean install. Drain tubes that go out the back here are responsible for keeping that water out, and then that turn knob underneath there actually removes this whole cover off the truck and the rails will stay on. So this cover can be removed easily. This is a mat, they call it the impact mat by Bedrug. It's a nice textured surface, custom fit, lifetime warranty on that. You get a 3-year warranty on the bed cover, and it's aluminum, matte black. They made the panel stronger on this one compared to the BAKFlip G2, and they also integrated the tailgate seal, so you don't have to worry about going out to your truck and lowering the tailgate first or doing anything weird like that. Power steps, got them on this truck here. Amp Research, best steps money can buy. 2018 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel. It's a plug and play on this truck, so there's no need to hardwire the doors. It's a very good product. LED lights included. And if you open up this side, it only opens up this side. It doesn't work opening up both. Five-year warranty on this Amp Research power steps.